Welcome to today's videos. Why are explore the fancy and elegant world of Myanmar dressing. The traditional outfit are not just clothing; they represent the culture and the beauty of Burmese peoples. Also know Burma is a country rich in a traditional vestige. Traditional dresses often called long headwind are admired for their simplify and grace symbol meaning the most iconic traditional outfit for men is the longi, while for women is the headwind. This garment and similar in concept to sagons, but with unique Burmese touches that set them apart. The beauty of these dressing lies in their versatility, whether of daily festival, wedding, traditional outfit, and adapt to every occasion with elegance. Let's start by looking the long, the most common clothing for men in Myanmar. It's a coloring piece of cloth, usually about 2 meters long, wrapped around the waist and tied in the front. The male is also known as a paso. It comes of pattern, often with pied and checked design symbolizing and traditional on the often hand. Women wear the headband, which is similar structure by the vibrant and accurate. It is usually tied instead on front, a graceful look. The admin of often feature floral print, silk embroidery, and irritating waving technique that highlight the artistry of textile culture. Women blouses are often fitted